Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shahida Adlina binti Muhammad Rafi. Today, my friends and I would like to present question 1E for the preparation of the consolidated of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 30 June 2020. Firstly, we should calculate the gross profit, which are revenue minus cost of sales. For the revenue, we should add all the revenue from the parent and subsidiary company and minus intercompany sales. 42 million for the parent company, Alor Berhad, add with the other subsidiary which are Gajah Berhad, 40 million plus 73 million for the Lendu Berhad plus 26 million for the Klemak Berhad minus with 20 million for the intercompany sales in additional information number 1. Then we get 160 million for the revenue. While for the total cost of sales, we should add the parent and subsidiary cost of sales, then add the unrealized profit goods and minus with the intercompany purchase. 15 million for the parent company, Alor Berhad, plus with the other subsidiary, Gajah, Lendu and Klemak Berhad, which are 16 million plus 18 million plus 30 million. Then add also the 5 million for the unrealized profit goods in the additional information number 1, minus with the 20 million for the intercompany purchase in additional information number 1 also. The total cost of sales will be 47 million. After that, 160 million for the revenue minus 47 million for the cost of sales. The amount of the gross profit is 130 million. After we get the gross profit, we should add with the gain on disposal and investment income. For the gain on disposal, we need to total up all the amount of gain on disposal for the parent and subsidiary company, then minus with gain made on members of the group. 5 million for the parent company, Alor Berhad, plus 1 million for the Lendu Berhad, which is a subsidiary company. Then minus with 4 million and 1 million gain made on members of the groups, which can be referred in additional information number 2. The total gain on disposal is 1 million. Next, the total of investment income we get from the amount of investment income for the parent and subsidiary minus with the dividend from the members of the group. For the parent company is 5.4 million plus all the subsidiary investment income, which are 2 million, 5.7 million and 0.3 million. Then minus 0.64 million dividend for the Klemak and 3 million dividend for Lendu. 9.76 million for the total of the investment income. For the next part, I will pass to my fellow friends to present.
My name is Nur Atika binti Aminuddin and I will continue from previous presentation. After adding up gain on disposal and investment income, we have to minus all admin expenses from parent and subsidiary company. In the statement of profit or loss given, parent, which is Alor Berhad, have expenses of 14.8 million and then Gajah 18 million, Lendu 20 million and Klemak 8.3 million. Also minus depreciation over provided of machine in Alor Berhad amounted 400,000, which is 4 million times 10%, and minus depreciation over provided of motor vehicle in Lendu Berhad for 100,000, which is 1 million times 10%. This information can be obtained from additional information number 2. After that, minus impairment of goodwill for 0.7 million. Impairment of goodwill can be obtained from additional information number 7, where goodwill on acquisition of subsidiary should be impaired at 10%. So the amount of goodwill is 7 million and times 10% we will get 0.7 million. After that, add any bargain purchase if there is any bargain purchase, and add share of profit associate, which is 0.3 million. That has been calculated in C, where we determine the carrying amount of Maliki Berhad. After we make necessary adjustment from gross profit until share of profit of associate, we will get profit before tax, which is 62.76 million.
Hello hi, I am Norai binti Khalid. Now I will continue the presentation. After we calculate the profit before tax, we need to deduct the taxation amount 18.3 million. The amount 18.3 million, we can look at the statement profit or loss in the question given. We need to end up the amount of taxation holding and subsidiary company together, which are 4.9, 10.2 and 1.2 million. So the profit after tax will be 44.46 million. After the statement that we did was completed, the profit need to attributed to the holding company and subsidiary company separately. So the profit after tax attributed to the holding company is 40.54 million, while to the subsidiary is 3.92 million as per shown in the slide. The workings will be presented by my friends after this. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Zaidi Ikmal bin Zainal. So here is working for non-controlling interest NCI. First, we calculate for return profit gajah, which is 6. We got from statement of changes in equity. Then less with the unrealized profit 5, which is we got from additional information once, because the journal entry is debit PNL gajah 5. And then we got 1 and time with percentage NCI, which is 0%, since holding company acquired 100% control of gajah. Next, we calculate for return profit lendu, which is post return profit is 30.5. Then we deduct with 1 for unrealized profit, which is we got from additional information 2. And then we add depreciation 0.1, less with PSD, and we get 26.6. Time with NCI percentage, which is 0%, because holding company acquired 100% control to lendu. For PSD, we time with 100% for NCI percentage, because holding company did not acquire any of preference share from lendu. Next, for Kelemak, we have 3.8 profit for the year, minus with dividend 0.8, and we get 3. Dividend 0.8, we must time with NCI percentage 20%, and we get 0.16. So since we have different period for percentage of control, we should portion the profit of 3 from 1 June 2019 to 31st December 2019, and second acquisitions, which is from 1 January 2020 to 30 June 2020. 3 divided by 12 months and time with 6 months, we got 1.5 for each periods. So for the first periods, we time with NCI percentage 40%, then we get 0.6. Then for the second periods, we time with 20%, then we get 0.3. So since Kelemak is full goodwill, so we should less impairment loss. Impairments 0.14. So we get 0.92 for Kelemak. Then we total up from gajah and lendu, then we get 3.92. Okay, thank you.